Get noticed in this 2007 BMW 7 Series. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. In the city or on the highway, you'll spend less time at the pump with this fuel-efficient vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Call today to schedule a test drive.